Hi, I am Mohammed Bagat. I am a part-time PhD student at the University of Edinburgh. I'm going to give you a brief presentation about our work towards using word embedding vector space for cohort analysis. I have co-authored this paper along with Steve Wilson and Walid Magdi, who are from the same university. Let's start with a question. How do different groups of like-minded people would think about this concept of home? Some would associate home with wealth, others would associate home with family, and in the second case would be more common with people who have to work away from home. So basically, the goal in our work is to present a method to analyze a given cohort. We verify such a method by proving two hypotheses. First, for people with suicidal ideation, we want to verify that people would perceive death to be highly related to themselves. Second, for people who are suffering from depression, they would perceive the concept of others would be relatively far away from themselves. We use textual content from subreddit. We assume that each subreddit represents a cohort, and we focus on subreddits related to mental health. To be able to extract relations between concepts, we start by building word embeddings using all submission text from a given subreddit. Then we use the two lexicons look and values to extract words that are related to categories within these lexicons and get the corresponding location in the embedding space. Once we have that, we compute the centroids for each category and use centroids as a representation for each concept. We started by comparing distances between each pair. We also found that comparing distances between pairs in each of these mental subreddits to a neutral subreddit would help us rid of noisy pairs that aren't relevant to our study. So instead of focusing on the distance between categories in a given subreddit, we compare the change of relevance for a pair between the mental related subreddit and the neutral one. At the end, we were able to verify both of our hypotheses. We also extracted other examples, such as in depression, the value of autonomy became more related to self-reference, while relationship, marriage, friendship, family became less relevant. In our paper, we provide other examples of relations between concepts, and we also provide some examples to text authored in these subreddits to analyze our results. Thank you for watching. I hope you find it interesting, and please join me if you have any questions or notes.